Well, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, traders from across the globe. It is midday on Monday, and I wanted to show you something. Remember, trading is risky. Put your stops in. Never trade without them. We know that about this market, right? Always put your stops in. It's Monday, midday, 3:10:25. Remember last night's chart? I showed you we had last hope. This is it. I have no more argument for this market. If Nasdaq doesn't hold here, another leg down will take place. Well, this is what it looks like right now. And unless a miracle happens and we go back up and settle above that line today, I think Wall Street sees another down leg coming. Now that this is broken, it's the last of the weekly charts to get through support, which means all of them now are through major support, and Wall Street is watching. So I wanted to show that to you, the last hope. Unless we somehow reverse and go back up, last hope says we've got a problem now. Wanted to make sure everybody knew that because I've been showing you videos every night, and mostly it's been bearish, but we had that little pattern that possibly could have taken us back up, and then we had the last hope. When it looked like this, we had our last hope, right? Well, it's not a last hope anymore, not unless somehow we get back above it. I hope that helps. Make sure you pay attention to this chart. It's the Nasdaq Weekly, the Russell, the Nasdaq, well, I should say the Russell, the Transportation Average, the Dow, the ES have all already broken their major supports. This was the last hope. Traders, I hope that helps. Nothing goes straight down, but it looks like we're going to have a little bit of a down segment here. Make sure you tune in to livewithoscar.com. Come to my website. Join me in my live trading room, and we'll get through these rough and tumble markets together. Now, the OMNI took no trade today. We're in no position. The OMNI has guided us perfectly through all of this volatility, and today we're on the sidelines. We'll see what happens tonight. All right, traders, that's about it. Remember, one last thing. Say this to yourselves always, especially if you happen to be long today. 1, 2, 3. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Thank you so much for tuning in. Join me at livewithoscar.com and my website. I will see you there, and we'll get through the rest of this week together.